Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the verbal product reviews, techs and gadgets reviews, and today I'm gonna share to you or show to you my Nintendo Switch Lite games. So what are my games in my Nintendo Switch Lite? So the first two is this Dragon Ball Z Fighter. So this is a nice game and I love it. I always playing games with Dragon Balls, and I'm also this is also my childhood anime series that I always watch since I was a kid. And then this is no moto racing freedom, so this also has a nice game, nice graphics, and also perfect for me. So I don't have myself to get bored. So it also was here. So I these two games is I already installed it in my Nintendo Switch Lite, and I want to show you the inside. So here's the here's the inside of the there's a instruction on how to use, and also there is the slot of the game card over here. This is the slot of the game card, and also this one there's uh mini letters over here, and it's the slot of this game card also. And then in my Nintendo Switch Lite, I wanna show you the games that I have installed it free. So I downloaded and installed some free games. Oh, I forgot there's the game card of this is no Moto Racing Freedom. Okay, this is the game card of the is no Moto Racing Freedom. So I have one game card here to put in my game card slot mesh pocket in my hard case. So this is my Nintendo Switch Lite. Also sorry I grabbed the. So let's open it up. Let's turn it on. Okay, this is the interface of the Nintendo Switch Lite. Oh, also I love the case. I love the transparent hard case of it. So there's a lot of games here, but there's a lot of games here in eShop, but I'm in the Philippines, so I can't download games that is pay games. So I already installed the Dragon Ball Fighter Z, and I also have the Super Kirby Clash, and also I have the YouTube application. There's no Facebook. uh, I'm searching Facebook, but there's no Facebook. I also have a Pokemon Unite. I always love Pokemon. This is my childhood cartoon series. And also this is no Motor Racing Freedom. I already installed it. And when I want to play, I just want to get the game card and replace the existing game card, the Dragon Ball Z. I also have the Brawlhalla. Okay, that's all for the. But there's too many games in Nintendo eShop, but as you can see, there's a payment method. So I don't have a credit card or PayPal, but gladly I can download games. Oh, sorry. Gladly I can download games that is a downloadable, that there's no that you don't have to pay. So in here, some here, but if you want to click the download content, there's no games, only extension of the games that you've been downloaded. So here I click software, and here is the games that I have already I've already downloaded. So this that I purchased it. I purchased the Fortnite, but uninstalled it because there's not too much memory of the Nintendo Switch Lite because it's only have 32 gigabyte of memory. So that's why I have to buy a memory card so that I can download again and transfer it into micro SD card. So the arriving date of my memory card is today. So I just have to wait and download another game. So I can download a Asphalt 9 na Asphalt 9, and also I can download Apex Legends, Rocket League. So there's too many games here. Here it is, Asphalt 9 Legends. So I just have to wait so that this is the game is too big for the memory. So I have to go back. So there's too many games that downloadable. So I have also a Hulu, but I don't have a account for Hulu. But and also the ga- the TV series here is you have to pay monthly. Okay, there's too many games. So this is Sky Children of the Light. I saw this. I saw this in another YouTuber, Nintendo Switch YouTuber. So that's why I have to like that. So Super Mario Odyssey. I always love Super Mario also, but I don't. But there's no free downloadable game for Super Mario. So there's a Super Mario here that free downloadable. It says Mario Kart Live Home Circuit. So when I click it, this is only, but I don't know how to use it. So this is just only like that. So if you're in home, then you can play like that. So there's too many downloadable games in the eShop. Yes, there's also this Knockout City. There is Vigor, Animal Crossing New Horizons Island Transfer Tool, free download. So it's not a game. It's a tool. It's a tool. There's also an Hades. I love this Hades, but it's $24.99. But I am here in Philippines, so I can't buy any of these games. So I just have to wait for the games that I want to bring it here in Philippines, since my sister will be home this next year will be home next year, and I'm asking her to bring me Nintendo Switch Lite games and also accessories. So as you can see, my previous or latest vlog in my channel, as you can see, before this vlog, okay, I also have a slideshow of the game cards that I want to be here. So there's also a Dark Souls remastered, but it is payable. So I already purchased this Pokemon Cafe Remix, but I don't think that I can. And also there's a Warface free download, so I just have to wait for a micro SD to arrive so that I can download these games. Very very beautiful games here in eShop. Also there's a Limbo, Pokemon Quest. So I just have to find what is this key so that I can download it. Also Rogue Company free download, and also Dauntless free download. Not so much a big fan of a GTA. I don't not a big fan of GTA. I also have this Mortal Kombat. So I just want to have a game of Mortal Kombat for only yes, $49.99. So that means $50, but it's payable. I can't download it because it's payable. I don't have money for it. So I will find some games. So this a Warframe free download over here, and also many many games here in eShop, free games. So that's it, guys. So that's it for my next for my vlog for today. Hope you enjoy watching my vlog. So and also hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Vermel product reviews, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will get notified all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.